Hello children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to discuss about first class maths third chapter, that is additions. So children, let us see the order in additions. So what is the order in additions? Here we can see children, one example if you see, then easily you can understand what is the order in addition. So here in the box, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers are there, plus the second box, how many flowers are there? 2. 1, 2. So 3 plus 2. Total how many flowers are there children? Yes, we have 5 flowers. Already 3 are there. 3 after 4, 5. So total 5 flowers are there. Is equal to 5. First there are 3 flowers and again 2 more flowers. So total 5 flowers. So here we can see the 5 flowers. Here in the second box, here another one. This is another one. Here we can see. Here in this box, how many flowers are there? The first box we can see 1, 2. 2 flowers are there. Plus the second box, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. So here also again 3 flowers are there. 2 plus 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. So total 2 plus 3, how much is the children again? Yes, 5. Already 2 flowers are there. 2 after if you count 3, 4, 5. So did you notice children here something? The answer is the same. How we got the answer the same? Because here we are adding the same numbers. Have you noticed children? See here we can see. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Also 5 only. And here what we can see? 2 plus 3. If you add 2 plus 3 also 5, the same number. And 3 plus 2 also the same number 5. The answer is same. Means when you change the order, when you change the order of the numbers, if you change the order of the numbers also being added, the answer remains the same. The answer remains the same. So if you change the order of the numbers. So here we are changing the order. So here I have written the first is 3 plus 2 I wrote. Answer 5. And here I changed the number. So the second number I changed it to first place and the first number I changed it to second place. Means here I have written 2 plus 3. But still the answer is the same. The 5 only there. So if you add 2 plus 3 is also 5 only. Otherwise if you add 3 plus 2 also 5 only. The same. So the order if you change also in addition being added, the answer will be the same. The answer will be the same. So let us see some more examples children. Here we can see 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So here I am adding 1. So if you change the order, so 1 plus 3, so this number after will come. So 3 after 4 because we are adding 1 here. So by adding 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now I am adding 3 plus 1. So I change the order. 1 plus 3 I have written here. I change it to now 3 plus 1. So then also the answer will be the 4 only, the same. If you add 1 plus 3 also 4 only. 3 plus 1 also 4 only. For example, now in the second Roman, here I am changing. This one I am not writing children. Here I am writing 2. Let us write 2. So let us see this one. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. So here we can add children. Already first 5 is there. 5 plus 2. Here I am adding 2. 1, 2. So total how many are there? 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. Now I am changing the order here. 2. The second number I have taken here the first and the first number I have taken to second number. So 2 plus 5 I wrote. So now how much will be the answer? Now also the same number. The answer will be the same. That means 7 only. How means? Here we can see 2, here 5. So 2 plus 5, 5, 6, 7. The same. So if you change the order also, the answer will be the same. So for being added, when you change the order of the numbers that being added, so the answer remains the same. The answer remains the same. So here I have changed the order. So 5 plus 2, 2 plus 5. 5 plus 2 also the 7 only, and 2 plus 5 also the 7 only. Here means we are adding 1. So by adding 1 means the number that comes after. So here the 3. 3 comes after, 3 after, which number it will come? 4. So by adding 1, here we are adding 1. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 also 4. 1 plus 3 also the same number 4. And 3 plus 1 also the 4. The answer is the same. If you change to order also, the answer remains the same. 4 and 4. 5 plus 2, 7 and 7. Let us see in the zeros. So if you come to the zeros, here we can see children, 0 plus 7. So 0 means nothing. So already we have learned before only, when you add 0 to any number, the answer what will be the? Yes, the same number. The answer will be the same number. So here the answer is 7. Because 0 plus 7, the answer will be 7. So here I am writing the 7. 7 plus 0 children. What will be the answer? 7 plus 0? Then also 7 only. Because if you add 0 to 7 also 7 only. 7 to 0 also 7. So 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 0 also 7. Here also we are adding the 0. So just we are changing the order of the numbers. So still if you change the order of the numbers, the answer remains the same. So here we can see the answer, the same. The answer remains the same. So understood children, all of you? So in our textbook, the page number 99, the page number 99, here we can fill in the blanks. Here we have some blanks children. So by adding 1, by adding 0 and by adding like this. So by changing the order of the numbers, this is very easy children. Here you can complete in your textbooks up to here. So and then today we are going to learn about the another one, that is vertical addition. What do you mean by the vertical addition? Let us see now. So okay children, let us start our vertical addition. So what do you mean by vertical addition children? Before going to vertical addition, let us see one more addition here. So what is this called? This addition is from left to right. Left to right. So here in this picture, how many balls are there children? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls plus in this box how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 plus 4. Total how many are there children balls? 7 balls. 3 already are there. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 balls are there. So this addition is from left to right. This is the addition called as vertical addition, up to down. Up to down. So in this way also the answer will be the same. If we add the same numbers, the answer will be remains the same. So let us see children, here I have written these 3 and 4 only, the same numbers here I have used, but in the up to down, up and down I wrote. Here in this addition, that is left to right. We are doing the addition from left to right. Here up to down, up to down. So here we can see children, here I have written the 3 plus the symbol is compulsory children. Next one should you must write the symbol there. You have to keep the symbol. When you are doing the addition, you have to keep the symbol plus before the number. Before the number, not after the number. Must keep before the number. So the second number down will be the number which comes down. That number before you must write. So here I have written 3 and here I have wrote the 4. So up and down. So 3 means 3 balls. 1, 2, 3 balls. And here plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much will be the answer? Yes, the same number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 balls are there. So if you do any side from left to right or addition, if you do the addition from left to right or up and down, the answer remains the same. So like this children, this is called as vertical addition. This is the vertical addition. So let us see some more examples children. Here we can see the first number here it is 4 and the second number here it is 4. Let us add the 4. Here we can small stars I have drawn. Let us count children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because here 4, here also 4. The 4 stars. Total I want. So total 4 plus 4. So here I have used the symbol plus. So if you use the symbol, if you see the symbol that is plus means you have to do addition. So the plus symbol is there means you have to do addition children. So here we can see we have to add all these stars. Already here the 4 stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So total how many stars are there? 8. So 4 plus 4, 8. Straightly here you must write. So already 4 stars are there. Again 4 stars. So total 4 plus 4, 8. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Now see the another one. So here how much the number is? 2. I have kept the 2 stars there. And the second number is 3. 3 stars I have written there. So 2 plus 3. This is the vertical addition. Here I have kept the symbol plus also. So 2 plus 3. Total how much children? 2 plus 3. So how much? 2, 3 after 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5. So here I can write 5. If you add, you can add this. You can add this stars also. 1, 2. So 2 after you must add. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Total 5 stars. Next, come to here. Here you can see children 0 plus 7. Here by adding 0. We have done already in the additions by adding 0. So it's very easy. So when you add a 0 to any number, the answer will be the same number. So here 0 means no stars because nothing is there. Now here what is this number? 7. So I have drawn already 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer will be the 7 only because here any star is not there. So the answer will be the same. 7. So here I can write the 7. The answer will be the same. So let us do some more examples children. Without stars also we can do it on your fingers. You can use your fingers and you can do it the vertical addition. So the page number here we can see children 100. The page number 100 in our textbook. Let us see some more additions. The examples of vertical additions. So in our textbook the page number 100. Here we have the full exercise children. The full page here we have the additions. The vertical additions. So by adding 0 small numbers only. By adding 0, by adding 1. So by changing the order of the numbers here we have so many additions. All of you can complete in your textbooks. Let us see some more examples on the board. So children here we can see the vertical additions. The first one here we can see. So all we are using the plus symbol. So for each and every one, for everything we have written the plus symbol. So children here no need to draw the pictures for each and everything. So no need to use the pictures. Let us see like this only. So here we can see children, the first one is 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 by adding 1. So already we have told children, we have learned about that. By adding 1, if you add 1 to any number, so what will be the answer? Yes, the number that comes after. The answer will be the number that comes after. So here is the number. What is this number here? 3. What is the 3 after? Yes, 3 after 4. So here is the answer 4. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now here adding 0. 0 plus 5. If you add 0 to any number, the answer will be the same number. So here no 0 means nothing. Then directly we can write the answer there, 5. The same number. The answer will be the same. 0 plus 5 is the 5. Now 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. Here again we are adding 6 plus 1. 1 we are adding to the 6. So if you add 1, so yes, 1. The number, this number. So here we have the 6. The number that comes after 6. So what is the number that comes after 6? Yes, 6 after 7. So the answer will be 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Now here we can see children, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. How much? 2. So 1 after 2. 2. Very easy, no children? Within 2 minutes we can finish all this. Now 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. So children, here we can take the 4 fingers. Take 4 fingers. The second number here we have the 3. 3 after. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. So first how much number will be there? That many fingers we can take children. Here we have the 4. Take 4 fingers. And the second number is 3. 3 after we can count children. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we got the answer 7. You can check also children. 4 fingers and the 3. 4 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Got the answer 7. So here we have written the answer 7. So children, here we can see 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. 1 we are adding. So the number that comes after 8 after 9. Yes, very good. 8 after 9. So understood children? Let us see next one. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. Now here we can see, take the fingers children. 6. Take 6 fingers. 6 fingers we are taking. Now 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. So children, you can add like this also. Suppose 6 and 4. It is difficult to take the 6 fingers means the second number here how much? 4. So we told that already if you change the order of the numbers also, the answer will be the same. Because 6 plus 4 also the 10 only we will get, and 4 plus 6 also will get the answer 10 only. For example, this is the very easy method. Suppose the second number is how much? 4. We'll take the 4 fingers and here the 6. 6 after if we count, very easy. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Still the answer is the same. If we change 6 plus 4 also 10 only. 4 plus 6 also 10 only. Here we can change the order of the numbers. The answer will be the same. So this is easy children. So being in additions, if you take the big number means the small number after means it's a long process it will take. So in additions always you have to take the small number. From this to 4 is the small. If you take the small number, 4 means 4 fingers if you take. The big number is 6. 6 after if you count it is easy. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy. If you take the 6 and you have to count 4 after means it will take a long process. So we have to take the 6 fingers and the 4 after we have to count 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will take a long process. This is the very easy method. So in additions children always you have to take a small number. If you take a small number then easy counting. Anyhow you will get the same answer. Because just we are changing the order. If you change the order also in addition, so the answer will be the same. So then no need to worry. If you add the 4, if you take the 4 number, the small number if you take, it is easy to add. So 4 numbers we are taking. Now the big number 6, 6 after we are counting, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy. So within a minute you will get the fast. So the addition will be the fast here. So 6 plus 4, 10. Now here 3 plus 0. Adding 0, answer will be the same. So the same number will get the answer. So 3 plus 0 or 0 plus 3, the same. Here we added 0 plus 5, 5 only. 3 plus 0, 3 only. There we are adding the 5, the answer we got the 5. Here we are adding the 3, the answer will get the 3. So 3. So 3. So we are adding 1 means the number that comes after 9 after 10. Yes, 9 after 10. So we are adding only 1 to that number means the number that will, the answer will come that comes after number. The number that comes after number only, 9 after 10. So 5 plus 2. So here already we have learned about children 5 plus 2. So no need to take the 5 fingers. So if you change the order also the same. So let us take the small number. So 5 and 2, which is the small number? 2. So we are taking the 2. And we are adding the 5. 5 after we can count. 5 after 6, 7. So easily we got the answer 7. Otherwise, if you take the 5 and 2 after if you count, it will take the long process. The answer will be the same, but it will take the time. So here we are taking the 5 and 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this many numbers we have to count. So it is easy no to take the small number. If you take the small number 2, the 5 here, 5 after you can count very fastly. 5 after 6, 7. Just 2 numbers. 5 after 6, 7. So here we got the answer 7. Anyhow we will get the answer 7 only. If you add 5 plus 2, also 7 only. If you add 2 plus 5 also, the answer will be the same. So just if you change the order also, answer will be the same. But counting it will do very fastly. We can count the additions fastly. So children, here we have completed our additions. So in your textbooks, the page number 100 you can complete in your textbooks children very neatly and slowly. So the next, the page number 101, here we have add the numbers each child is holding. Here the 4 children are there holding numbers in their hands. Let us see here also the same vertical addition only. Let us see children. I'll do on the board here. Let us see this page number 101 vertical additions. Children, in the page number 101, here some 5 children are there holding the numbers in their hand. So the first boy here we can see children in the textbook. The boy is Peter. Peter is holding 1 in his hand and 9 in another hand. Here another boy is Asif. 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 he is holding. And here Apu. The another boy, he is holding the numbers 5 plus 5. So 5 he is keeping in his hand, another 5 is holding in another hand. And a little girl Mona. Mona is having 2 in one hand and the 8 in another hand. And the last boy, that is Hardeep. This boy is holding the 4 in one hand and 6 in another hand. So we have to add these numbers. So here they have given the symbol plus, plus, plus. So we have to do this. All these are in vertical addition. So let us do children. Very easy. 1 plus 9. So 1 is there means it is very easy. So the number that comes after number only we have to write there. So no need to take the fingers at all. After number if you write means it's easy. That's all finished. So here the number is 9. 9 after 10. So here we have completed the addition. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So the Peter is having the 10. Now Asif comes to the Asif. So here 3 and 7. 3 plus 7. So from these 2 numbers children, which is a small number in addition only, so you have to take the small number. So which is the small number children? 3. 3 and 7, small number is 3. So let us take the 3 fingers. And the second number is here we have the 7. So 7 after we have to count. 7 after 8, 9, 10. So the answer will be the 10. 3 plus 7, 10. Yes, we have finished. 3 plus 7, 10. And here, Apu. Apu is only having 5 plus 5. Oh, 5 and 5. 5 plus 5. So here we can do the addition children. So here no big number and no small number. Both are the same numbers. So we can take the 5. And the 5 after we have to count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, oh no, here also the answer is 10. So the Peter also 10. Asif also, here also the answer is 10. Here Apu here also the 10. Let us see the Mona. So Mona, this girl, she is holding the 2 in one and here Hardeep. So here we can see children 4 and a 6. 4 and 6. Now we'll take the small number is 4 and 6. Which is the small number? 4. So take 4 fingers. The second number, big number after 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So to get the answer 10, see this many 5 methods we can write. So did you notice children here? All of them got the same answer. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 then also 10. 5 plus 5 then also 10. 2 plus 8 also is 10. And 4 plus 6 also 10. So did you notice children here? 10, 10, 10. All of them got the answer 10. Means to get the answer 10, this many methods you can use. So this many numbers also we can use, the different numbers we can use to get the answer 10. So 1 plus 9 if you add also will get the answer 10. 3 plus 7 if you add also will get the answer 10. So 4 plus 6 also will get the answer 10. So 2 plus 8 also 10. 5 plus 5 also will get the answer 10. Yes. So this is very interesting here. So let us see another one children. Think and answer. The hot question they have given here, small one. So they have given the question. Neha's age is less than 9 years. Neha's, here a little girl Neha, her age is less than 9. So let us see children, think and answer. Let us see on the board. We'll write on the board here. So children, in the page number 101, here we have a small question. Think and answer. We have to think and we have to answer. So what is the question means? Here it is the birthday of a small little girl, Neha. On her birthday, she has bought a big cake. So here we can see her birthday cake on her birthday, Neha. So and we have to find out her age. Now cake is there, candles also must be there. So we have to keep our candles. So here we have to keep the candles. So actually how many candles we used to keep on our birthday? So how many years, how much of age we have? That many candles we used to keep on the cake. So she told Neha, she asked her father, so I want the age of my candles. So how much age I have now? That many candles you have to keep the daddy on my birthday cake, like that she asked her father. Now we have to find out her age now. Let us find out her age. They have given some clues to find out her age. So what are the clues they have given here? So actually Neha's age is less than 9. Neha's age is less than 9. So the number less than 9. Her age is less than 9. What is the number less than 9? Let us see. More than 4 plus 3. More than 4 plus 3. So what is the number? Here first we can see children, less than 9. The number which comes less than 9 means the small number 9 before number we have to write. What is the number 9 before number 9? The number which comes before 9. What is the number? 8. Yes. Here is the number 8. This is less than 9. Isn't it? Less than 9. 8 means it is less than 9. And more than 4 plus 3. More than 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 we have to add. So 4. So here the small number is 3 and the big number is 4. So 3 plus 4 we have to add. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Here 4 plus 3 means 7. More than 7. So what comes more than means the big number we have to write. Means the number after. 7 after 8. Yes. So now the age is, how much her age is now? Her age is less than 9 and more than 4 plus 3. So less than 9 also we are getting the 8 and more than also we are getting the 8 only. So more than means 7 after we are getting now here 8. So 8 is her age. Now Neha is 8 years old. Yes, she's sick. So she is now, Neha is now 8 years old. So we have to keep 8 candles on her birthday cake. Here we can keep the 8 candles on her birthday cake. So here is the answer 8. Now Neha is actually 8 years old. So here we have completed our page number 107. Sorry, 101. Here we have completed our page number, textbook page number 101. So children, next one we have the fun with addition. So I hope all of you understood all these additions, the vertical addition, everything children. How we have doing the from vertical additions from left to right and up and down. So I hope all of you understood this additions chapter. So thank you. All of you do the additions in your notebook, textbooks children very neatly, with your pencil very neatly children. So I hope understood all of you children. Thank you.